GST Annual Return Filing made simple by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're a business registered under GST, you already know the importance of filing monthly or quarterly returns. But did you know that GST Annual Return Filing is also mandatory? Whether you're a regular taxpayer or under the composition scheme, filing your GSTR-9, GSTR-9A, or GSTR-9C is crucial to ensure full compliance and avoid penalties. Let's break it down. What is GST Annual Return Filing? GST Annual Return Filing is a year-end summary of your business's taxable sales and purchases, input tax credit, ITC, claimed taxes paid throughout the year, and reconciliation of your financial statements with GST returns. It helps the government verify your compliance while helping you keep your financials clean and accurate. Types of GST annual returns. Let's look at the key types of returns under the GST regime. GSTR-9, applicable to regular taxpayers with annual turnover above Rs 2 crores. GSTR-9A, for taxpayers registered under the composition scheme, turnover up to Rs 1.5 crores. GSTR-9C, a reconciliation statement certified by a chartered accountant, mandatory for businesses with turnover exceeding Rs 5 crores. Not sure which one applies to your business? Don't worry, Filings Corner will help you figure it out. Why filing GST annual returns is important. Here's why you should never skip this step. Avoid late fees and penalties. Late or missed filings invite fines under GST laws. Ensure legal compliance. It's a mandatory requirement based on your turnover. Prevent tax mismatches. Reconcile differences between your GST returns and books of accounts. Enable smooth business operations. Keeps your compliance clean and up to date for audits or assessments. Documents required for annual GST return filing. To file accurately, you'll need your GST registration certificate and GSTN. Copies of all monthly or quarterly GST returns, GSTR-1, GSTR-3B, or GSTR-4 financial statements, balance sheet, profit and loss account, audit report purchase and sales invoices with GST details, input tax credit, ITC, records and tax payment proofs, reconciliation statements certified by a CA for GSTR-9C filers. Not sure what to collect? We'll guide you through every document. How Filings Corner helps you. At Filings Corner, we take care of everything from start to finish. Accurate filing of GSTR-9, 9A, and 9C, expert reconciliation between monthly filings and annual records, CA certification support for GSTR-9C, including audits, timely submissions, so you never pay penalties, end-to-end support. We answer all your GST-related queries and compliance concerns. Whether you run a small firm or a large enterprise, we tailor our process to your unique business needs. Affordable and customized GST filing packages. We understand that every business has a different structure, turnover, and compliance requirement. That's why we offer flexible, affordable GST annual return filing plans, so you pay only for what you need. Plans start at a budget-friendly price. Special packages available for GSTR-9C certification with CA audit support. Bonus, partnership firm registration. Also available, looking to start a partnership business? We offer cost-effective registration packages to get your business off the ground with proper documentation and compliance. Let's file your GST annual return the right way. Avoid last-minute stress and unnecessary penalties. Let Filings Corner take care of your GST compliance with expertise and efficiency. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started. Filings Corner, your compliance, our commitment.